Welcome to another episode of Piano Puzzle, where I'm trying to help you transfer the melody that you have in your head into the keyboard. Today I have another well-known melody, which I hope you are familiar with. The melody is from Shrek movie. It starts like this. Even if you are new to the piano, I will show you how you can start playing this melody really quickly. As in previous episode, I will show you what to play with left hand, and I will put some stickers for the right hand to choose from. The idea of the piano puzzle is to try on your own to play the melody from your head using all those selected notes. In the simplest pattern for left hand, there will only be octaves, so two same notes played at the same time. To make it a little bit simpler, I've divided first verse into two separate parts. Okay, so for the first part we will be using only four different notes: C, F, G and A. Those stickers indicate the position of the fifth finger. So we are playing octaves, so number one is here, so we play C, then A, back to C, A, F, G, C, and back to G. And each of those notes you will need to play twice, like this. Okay, let's go to right hand. Here I will only indicate which notes to play. I will not put any numbers here. So it will be up to you to find the correct melody. Okay, and as you can see, actually those are the same notes for right hand as for left hand, yes? So we have C, F, G, A. And now I will try to play using those stickers. Okay, and now part B. There is one additional note, E, and there is one difference here because not all notes will be played twice. Some of them will be played only once. And like previously, we go one by one, starting with C, then number 2 is here, so F, G, A, 5 at F, 6, 7 and 8. And notes for right hand. So we have few more in part B. Okay, let's try. And from the beginning. Okay, and now the refrain. So left hand has only 4 notes to play, starting with F, A, F, C, G, and C. And here are notes for right hand. So as you can see, they are the same as for part A of first verse. And in the refrain, those notes are played not twice, but 4 times. To make a sound a little bit more complex, I like to add perfect fifth to my octaves. So I have octave here, C, then I add the perfect fifth, which is 7 semitones from C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I play those notes one by one. But that's not all. I prefer arpeggios even more. So you have C major chord here. Okay, so let's find those notes a little bit higher. So you have C, E and G. So C, E, G and another C. So I'm playing all those notes separately. But only one difference, I don't play the second one here. So I play this with my left hand. For the second note, which is here, A, I play similar version, but not as long. So again, I have the perfect fifth here, and I'm adding only one additional note, so here, C. So as you can see, the chord A minor is here, and I'm looking for another note from this chord. So here is A, the next one is C. Yeah, and again, I'm not playing the second note. So I play it with my left hand only. Now it sounds much better. So as you can see, I'm expanding those notes. So either I can play like this or like this. And now we have part B. And the red color for the refrain. Thank you for today and see you next time.